everyone, I just harvested some Thai basil, the remnants before they start to die off for the season, and I just cut the stems, and then I just take all the leaves off of the stems, but a few up top, and I stick it into a cup of water and I root it, and then I'm going to stick it into my little mini greenhouse hoop house so that I will have more Thai basil throughout the winter, hopefully, if they survive, because they only last in the spring and summer, and they don't do very well at all in the cold. And usually I've had several plants that have died completely, and some that I had overwintered successfully, and that's why I still have them. Originally I got them from my parents, and so I want to keep a batch at least alive on my property so I don't keep going back to my parents. And over here I have a bell pepper, a Cuban oregano, some green onions, and all of this is from my yard. And I'm gonna dice these up to smaller pieces, and I'm going to make pasta with it. So that's how you use all the things in your yard. And as well as somewhere in here I have mini chili peppers, the little bird chili peppers that I had shown you before. So I'm just lacking some onions, but I'll just use these green onions in lieu of it, and add some garlic. So those are the herbs and veg in my pasta, and I like to use ground turkey, so it's a lighter version. So hope you give that a try. You can also propagate the Cuban oregano in the same way. Just plop a cutting into the water, wait about a few days, 7 days or 3 days. You have to change out the water in it so it doesn't start to rot the roots, and then you can plop it into the ground. I may not even wait for it to root because it's winter, or it's becoming winter, but I may also do that because I do want it to be successful before I stick it in the ground. So I have not yet decided yet. So there we have it. Have a great day. Remember to try to use all the herbs and vegetables that you grow, and enjoy it, and use it all the way into the late part of the season, and try to keep some of them so that you don't have to keep buying them. And if you overwinter, it's a nice trick to have plants for the next season and the next season and the following season, aside from seeds, which I have saved some seeds from these basil, and I will try to grow it from that as well next spring. But for now, this is a quick and easy way to get more plants. And unfortunately, in my greenhouse, I hadn't covered it for a few nights, and it's been dipping down into the 50s, and it's such weird weather because tomorrow it's going to be 90 something degrees, and then the day after it's going to be cooler, like 70s, and then after that it's going to possibly rain, and we'll see, because that's what it said last time and it did not rain. So that's the weird weather we have in this area, but it'll do. We just have to work our way around it and try to grow our plants the best way we can. And let me show you the end product when I'm through. Thank you for watching so far. So guys, this is what I have chopped up. This is the bell pepper, the Cuban oregano, spicy bird chili, garlic, and then the green onion, all with two tools, a knife and a cutting board. I don't like to use too many devices, because that means there are more things to wash. So what I'm going to do is place the chili peppers and the garlic in with the ground turkey and cook it. And the earlier you put, here's a good hint, a good tip, the earlier you put chilies into the pan to heat, the less spicy it becomes at the end of when you serve the dish. And so once the garlic and turkey are infused, the scents are infused together, and the turkey is pale pink, then you're ready to put in these items, the bell peppers and the Cuban oregano, and then cook it for just a minute or so, and add tomato sauce, tomato paste, salt, pepper, oregano. Cook it till it comes to a boil, and then put the pasta in that you've already cooked separately. Throw it all in together. Then finish off at the very end after you've turned off the heat. You can place the green onions and the mint, the basil, Thai basil, and just stir it all in with the heat turned off, and it will self-cook the rest of the way, and you're ready to serve it. And this is being made today per request by my son, so I hope you give it a try. Use what's in your garden and eat all the food that you grow, all the herbs and vegetables, because it can only help you get healthier. Thank you for watching. Okay guys, so here is the finished product. So it's really fragrant. I'm going to give it a try and taste it. Ooh, it looks really hot. I just plated it. Delicious. So that was 2 cans of tomato sauce and 1 can of tomato paste, and it's so delicious. And those bird peppers weren't very spicy, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some sriracha, or you can add crushed chili peppers. It's a great dish. Feeds the whole family. Real simple, and all the ingredients are straight from the backyard. So hope you give it a try. Thank you for watching.